Alright, welcome back to another tutorial. I will be showing you how to properly add new shirts, pants, gear, or any of that stuff to the character editor / loadout that we have in game here. So firstly, we are going to go ahead and go to replicated storage. We're going to go to shared. We're going down to character config, and then here are all the gears. So you have body gear, accessories, custom shirts, faces, hair, which I don't think you even need to touch unless you really want to, headgear, pants, shirts. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything from, let's see, shirts. Let's keep the default number, default 1. Scroll all the way down, actually. Do this 10 times easier. Alright. Don't need any of that. So first we're going to find the shirt we want. Whether it be a free model shirt or one that needs to be added. Yeah. We're going to go into this. Going to go to what? Giver. Let's get a shirt giver. And this one in. So we have the shirt. First we're going to find the actual shirt. So we're going to go into the shirt template. Those who don't actually have the ID, what you want to do is take the ID out from the shirt from the Roblox page, and then you're going to paste the shirt ID in here, and then it'll give you this link right here, and all you're going to have to do is copy the ID that's listed right here. So we want this shirt in particular. We're going to go in here. We're going to name it, let's see, Taiwanese Army, or Taiwan Army, whatever the hell it is. Then we're going to set the item ID as this ID right here. And then we are going to copy the specific unique ID. Unique ID can really be anything, but I just set it as what's in the unique ID right here. So we're going to have to Control C this, and then Control B. Save it. And now that that's in, we can go ahead and test play it. So we're going to go ahead and go up to the uniform giver, or the locker, whatever you want to call it. We're going to go ahead and go to the shirt, and there you go. Here is your shirt. You're going to hit apply, and boom, you stay with the shirt. We're going to stop this. Now for specific gears, say we wanted to add a helmet. Let's see. We are going to go ahead, let's see, head or helmet. We want this specific, let's get this one. Actually, let's get the ACS helmet. Alright, so we don't need any scripts in this, or any of that stuff, so let's go ahead and ungroup it. Delete the giver, you don't need the giver. Ungroup this, and you're going to change the middle to head. You're then going to go into this, the main model. You're going to scroll down to the primary part, and you're going to click the head. And there you go. Now you are going to copy it. Don't need that anymore. Don't need this anymore. I might as well just delete everything here. Paste it into it. Now we're going to go into the headgear. And we're going to clear it out like last time. Actually, it's starting bottom up because it's way easier. You're then going to do the same process, name, description, and instead of, or you're going to actually find the name. So you want to set the name to whatever this name is right here. Like that. Unique ID. Name of the helmet. Let's do ACS. And set the description to whatever. Now that you have that, you can go ahead and hop in game and test it out. What are we waiting for? Okay, so we're gonna have to rename it. Give it a second. So headgear. There is an extra space on it, so you really don't want extra spaces at the end. It'll screw us all over in the end. So now it should load in properly with no problems. There you go. Alright, and now let's head over to the bench. Locker. You're going to go to headgear, and this should be the only one that pops up. Centers directly on your head, hit apply, and boom. Oh, another thing. Make sure to unanchor it. So if it is anchored, it needs to be unanchored. Any part inside of it needs to be unanchored. This is because it already welds itself to your head. And if you have it anchored, it will freeze your body completely in game. So, now let's go ahead and do body gear. So, vest. We want the ACS vest. Actually, let's do this one. Delete the giver. Ungroup it. And then we're going to find the middle part. And rename it to torso. Same thing with the other thing. You're going to find the primary part. And you're going to set it to the torso now, instead of head. now gonna make sure everything here is unanchored. Should be everything that's unanchored. Yeah. Rename it to whatever you want. You don't have to delete it or drag it right into body gear, it doesn't matter. You're then going to, once then, clear everything out and set it to what you have set here. So, police vest, unique ID, and now that you have that done, you now have a functioning vest for ACS. Now let's go ahead and head over to the locker, workbench, whatever you want to call it. Open it up, go to body gear, and now you have it. Though it is only connecting to the torso, so if you have any of the leg stuff, I suggest not having any of the leg stuff unless you have a separate thing for your leg. And then you're just gonna hit apply. Actually, yeah. And boom, you got it. Now we're gonna stop this and yeah. What's next? Pants are the same thing. You're just doing the same thing as what you did with the shirts. And any accessories such as face stuff, it's the same process. Keep in mind you can also group lock stuff, so if you add the info or group info and then add the group ID, and you can all, and hold on, where is it? There's one of these scripts that actually has the thing. I don't think it's here. If you add the group ID and then you add a rank requirement, let's say this is it. You will then be able to only be able to get the accessory if you were in this group and you retain the rank of 130 or above that rank. That's pretty much that. If you have any questions, feel free to ping me in the Kronos communication server. Yeah, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.